Fujitsu and Microsoft have now been working for nearly 40 years in a close partnership. As an example, just in May of this year, 2023, Fujitsu and Microsoft have signed a 5-year strategic agreement to bring their services together and develop innovative services for Fujitsu Uvance. These services will bring together Fujitsu's expertise in industries such as retail, manufacturing, and healthcare, and they'll bring together the various services of Microsoft, such as obviously Azure, but also Microsoft 365, Microsoft Dynamics, Power Platform, and many others. The idea is to bring them all together, develop innovative services, and help achieve Fujitsu's mission for a more sustainable world. So wherever you are in your cloud journey, you can count on Microsoft and Fujitsu being there to help you along. Thank you.